ทอม Sab Leng Thai Pork Backbone Soup.
Ingredients: 1 package sliced Mexican coriander, 2 pounds pork backbones, 10 cups water, 2 stalks lemongrass, 2 inches galangal, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cilantro roots, 2 4 limes, 5-10 chili peppers, 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 10-15 kaffir lime leaves, 1-2 tablespoons toasted rice optional, 1 teaspoon ground dried chili pepper optional. Ingredients: rinse the pork backbones in cold water to remove tiny bone fragments. In a pot, add the pork backbones and 10 cups of water or more, enough to cover the pork. Bring the water and pork to a boil and reduce it to simmer. Cut the galangal into thick slices, about 1/4 of an inch. Cut the lemongrass into 3-inch pieces. Add the sliced galangal, lemongrass and cilantro roots into the pot. Let the soup simmer until the meat is tender, about 1-2 hours depending on your stove. In the meantime, slice the green onion and the cilantro about 1/2 inch. Tear the center stems off from kaffir lime leaves. When the soup is ready, add salt to the pot. Taste the broth to see if it needs fish sauce. You may or may not need fish sauce. Add the kaffir lime leaves and let it boil before turning off the heat. When you're ready to serve, add 1 tablespoon of lime juice and a few chili peppers to per serving bowl, not in the pot. You might need more lime juice if you like your soup sour. Serve the rest of lime juice or lime wedges at the table. Crush the chilies if you love spicy soups. Ladle the soup into the bowl. The soup will turn milky white from the lime juice. Sprinkle green onion, cilantro and toasted rice on top. You can also add the optional ground dried chili pepper for extra zing. Serve the soup hot with jasmine rice. Please do not eat the galangal and lemongrass. They are tough to chew and are for flavoring only. Many people will eat the kaffir lime leaves, but some people push them aside on their plates.